Traditional drumming can be found across the island of Jamaica and is used for a multitude of purposes, including religious ceremonies, weddings, and even traditional Jamaican wakes, where Afro-Caribbean drumming may be heard throughout the day and night. With the assistance of our program sponsors, the Jamaica Field Service Project provides instruments and ongoing instruction to the schools of Jamaica.
To learn the Ricardos.
The what?
The Ricardos.
Okay.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry.
I like the song.
What is your name?
My name is Tiona Alisa,
Good. And what grade are you in?
grade 2.
Grade 2. And what was your favorite thing about the music that we did with you? Your favorite song that we sang with you?
In the jungle.
And how does that song go?
In the jungle, in the jungle, the lion sees the lamb. In the jungle, in the jungle, the lion sees the lamb.
Wash your